Taji, what are you doing? Give me a run. Just get a rundown of what you do this run.
I'm just going to practice some air tricks to fakie.
Okay.
Feel out the ramp going fakie. And then do a few lip tricks.
Yeah. How do you rate the ramp, Taj?
Yeah, it's good. It's little, but it's fun as. It's good to, something different. Try to adapt to it, but I like it. Fun for lip tricks. Not a scary height. It's fun. Gave him some tips on it, but far out of sketchy. I don't know. He just hung on for dear life.
I noticed that.
It was sick though. You learn it pretty quick. Nah, just melon. Huddy did a tail one, Jake did a melon one, and I did a sail one. So
That's right.
720 week. Yeah, hopefully I can get one on this ramp. It's a bit small, but I reckon I can. Yeah, maybe like 11, 10. Yeah. I reckon I got it. Far out. He's just like basically filming my session, how I like talk to people and shit. Holy. His ass has got to be sore after that. Flippy injury to fakie. Oh, come on, bro. Next try. What am I doing? Alright, this try. Keep frontside nose grind, keep flipping to the fakie, switch tail fish. Yeah, cheers. Do you want me to talk anymore or do anything else with the mic? Or I don't feel like I'm talking enough when I'm skating. No swearing? Yeah, I reckon it's fine. Alright, yeah. Keep flipping. No one falls. Stale fish. Judo. Tail grab. Judo.
Seriously, let's give it up for Taj Wolfenden. He's going to do that all day. Wow.
Judo air fakie.
Yeah, was that first time?
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
Yeah. I was like just saying my tricks. Pardon?
What's your run going to be this time?
Drop in, frontside nose grind, kick flip into the fakie.
Sorry, bro.
What do we reckon?
Let's go. Oh my God, boom. Look at that.
Go, baby.
Let's go! Here he goes, Taj Wolfenden from Newcastle, everybody. He's wondering what's this so bad. Oh my God! Taj Wolfenden! That was a kick! Are you kidding me? Yes, Taj, we're gonna find some money for that. Let's go.